Mistakes, Mr. Primo acknowledges that something funky happened last time. So we're going to do this again. So the first step when you're dividing longhand by decimals is to do what? Does anyone remember what we did last time? Dylan.
How many times the number to the left goes into the number to the right?
You're so close. We got to do something first. Tasneem. We need to move the decimals over. So I'm going to take this decimal out. I'm going to take this decimal out. And I'm just going to move it. So this now becomes 12. So the decimal was here. I'm going to move it over here. And the decimal was here. I'm going to move it over here. Okay, so it was here. And I move it over here. Okay, so I'm just going to erase those now that I've done that, just so my question stays nice and neat. I'm going to keep my lines nice and neat. Now I'm at Dylan's step. I got to see if 12 can go into 9. Is that possible? No, I'm getting head shakes and people sleeping on their desks. That's okay. So 12 does not go into 9, so it goes in 0 times, 0, I subtract, I bring down my 0, I have. Now I can think, how many times does 12 go into 90? So how many times can I count by 12 until I get close to, but not over 90? Yes, ma'am. Steph? 7. Let's give it a shot. So if I take 12 and I multiply it by 7, I get 4, carry the 1, 84. I know I won't be able to fit a 12 in there. Right there, thrower of the erasers. Right? Mallory should be looking up here. Okay? So Mallory, where does my 7 go? Because she said it was 7.
On the top.
You're right, above the 0. And then I do my multiplication down here. I subtract, and what is 90 subtracts to 84? Ian.
6.
Good job, Ian. 6. Then I do what? What's my next step? Maddie B. It's okay. Pass, that's fine. Sydney. I bring down the 1. How many times does 12 go into 61? Brendan.
5.
5. Let's see if he's right. 12 multiplied by 5 is 0, 1, 6. It's going to work. That was our mistake last time. I put a 0 up there by accident and no one caught it. Bring down the 2. How many times does 12 go into 12? Clara? Once. And look at that. I have 0 remainder. I am done. Finito. Just so you know how to check your work, just to make sure. Does anyone know how to check your work?
Do that.
Do that. We just did it. Yep.
Multiply 75.1.
Yep. Try it on your calculator. 75 decimal 1 multiplied by 12 should give you 901 decimal 2. Did it? Okay. You can also just check your work normally, right? Go 901 decimal 2 divided by 12, and you should get 75 decimal 1. End of story. That's how you divide decimal numbers.